Hey, what's up guys? What I have here is a gutter cleaning kit that was sent to me for free so I could try it out, let you guys know what I think about it. So this particular video right now, I just want to open it up for you so you can see what it comes with, and I can let you know what I think about the quality and how it feels so far. I will be doing a separate video of actually assembling and using it to clean out my gutters, but again, this video right now, just want to show you what comes in the box. So go ahead and carefully cut that open. So on top here you have your set of instructions. Just glance at those. It looks like a pretty simple setup and install system here. Thank you card, like a pack of different fittings and hardware. Probably most of it, I'm assuming, will be options. And then here's your actual pressure wand that it comes with, so, and the extender. So looks like okay, so it all has the middle pieces in there, so I won't go through setting it all up right now, but anyway, so you see that's threaded, and then some of the pieces in there are the female threaded end, so you use those to attach all of your pieces. And then you have this rake deal that it comes with, so it looks like this will actually, I believe how it's going to work, attached to the end here, and it'll have one of these nuts on here will screw on and hold it tight. So then you'll have your water pressure to spray the water, and then your actual gutter rake to help clean out and scrape the leaves and all the junk out of your gutters. And then you'll be able to easily rinse it down. So anyway, again, I'll do another video showing you actually using it, but this was just to show you what it came with.